Hello Wanderers! Today, balik tayo ng Manila. Bibisita naman tayo ngayon sa Pico del Oro sa Batangas. Galing pala tayo ng Tacloban City. So, ito, sinundo tayo ng kapatid ko. Pag-uwi namin, dito ko unang nakita si Kaki, yung aso nila. Isasama natin siya ngayon dito sa Pico del Oro sa Batangas. Kasama natin yung kambal na mag-celebrate ng birthday. And syempre si Kaki at si Kuya Danred. So manggagaling kami sa General Trias, Cavite. Mga 2 oras lang yung biyahe going sa Pico del Oro. So kalma lang yung trip natin kasi weekend naman. And dito tayo dumaan papuntang Nasugbu, Batangas. Dumaan din tayo dito sa Kaibiyang Tunnel. Mga ilang beses na tayo ditong dumaan kasi pang ilang beses na natin ditong bumalik sa Batangas. Stop over muna tayo dito sa Look. Malapit na tayo actually. Actually nampasan na natin yung Pico del Oro drive going to the resort. Pero daan lang tayo dito kasi may bibilin sila sa palengke. So bumili na nga kami ng mga iluluto namin dito sa Look bago kami pumasok ng resort para hindi na kami lumabas. Bumili kami ng luluto namin for our breakfast, lunch, and dinner kasi condo yung nireserve namin and pwedeng magluto doon, so mas makakatipid kami sa pagkain. Kung hindi nyo naman feel magluto, pwede naman kang kumain sa resort mismo. May restaurant naman dito sa may country club nila. From the entrance, medyo looban pa yung pagpasok sa resort, mga 2 minuto. And makikita nyo naman na parang very secluded talaga siya, and napapaligiran ng kabundukan bago tayo makarating doon sa mismong resort. Pagdating nga dito sa vicinity ng Pico del Oro, hindi mo ma-imagine na may mga high-rise buildings dito kasi parang nasa gitna na tayo ng jungle, but it looks nice and it looks very modern. Eto na, nandito na tayo sa may country club. Dito tayo papasok para mag-register. So dito po yung registration area. Doon kami sa condo nag-reserve. So kailangan po lahat ng mga mag-check-in i-register dito sa may parang lobby nila. Ito na po yung pinaka swimming pool facing the, I don't know if it's a lagoon. So yung country club is the heart of the entire resort. Andito yung mga coffee shop, tapos yung ibang amenities ng resort, along with the swimming pools and lobby. Ito, kailangan ng wristband. So 2 yung binayaran namin dito. So we paid for the room separately. So we booked it for 2 nights. And then every guest kailangan din magbayad ng resort fee. I believe nasa 1,200 yung resort fee. The good thing is yung resort fee, once nyo lang yan babayaran, per stay yung payment dyan. So regardless how long you stay, 1 time lang yung pagbayad ng resort fee. So sulit na rin kasi hindi naman kamahalan yung pag-rent namin sa room. It's a studio that we rented and there's 7 of us. So sulit na siya. Yung condo unit na nabook namin was around 3 plus or 3,000 plus per night. So for 2 nights siya. Overall, ang binayaran namin kasama yung resort fee, including the unit, is around 14,000 pesos. So pagdating namin dito sa may condo building, nag-register muna kami sa reception area and sinundo kami ni ate yung nag-assist sa amin papasok dun sa unit. Buti may dala siyang trolley kasi medyo marami kaming karga and nasa 4th floor yung unit na nirentahan namin. So ito na yung room na nirentahan namin. So quick walkthrough muna si ate paano gamitin yung mga gamit dito, especially yung lutuan kasi nga nagdala kami ng iluluto. Tapos may ref, may CR dyan, and ito yung mga beds. Dito yung CR natin. Okay. shower. Lavatory. Storage area. Ito yung mga beds. So may double deck dito na queen size yung baba. Single dun sa taas. I think double or queen size to. And then may large bed dito. And then may balcony, of course. With a very nice view. Dun banda yung papunta sa beach. Then may Wi-Fi and TV and aircon. This is the balcony area where the view of the woods in the mountains. And then dun banda yung beach area. So ito yung magiging bahay namin for 2 nights. So komportable naman siya. At saktong-sakto mabilis yung wifi kasi may work tayo mamayang gabi. Since work at home tayo. Prepping na for lunch. Luto muna tayo ng gulay. At after kumain ng lunch, hindi na ako nakasabay sa kanila mag-swimming kasi may duty pa nga ako ng gabi. So habol na lang ako sa kanila tomorrow. For now, let's call it a day. Good morning. So kagabi nagtrabaho tayo kaya medyo late na ako nagising at tapos ako ng mga stress na madaling araw and I just woke up. It's already like past 7 AM. We're still preparing breakfast. Yung mga bata nagising lang din. Ito yung view namin sa labas. This is our veranda. Ito yung kambala. So bababa na tayo para tingnan yung swimming pool tsaka yung beach dito sa Pico del Oro. Dito tayo sa 4th floor. Tara. Dito kami nagstay sa Miranda. Ito yung pa-lagoon nila, maganda yung lagoon. Tapos may pa-fountain doon na malaki. Video natin mamaya. May mga ducks dito sa lagoon nila. Yung pa-fountain nila. In fairness, maganda yung landscaping dito sa Pico del Oro. May water lilies. Ito yung walkway going to the swimming pools and to the beach. Still walking. Madaming puno. Tsaka mga rubber tree. Ito, I like this one. This is lemonade. It's actually called lemon lime rubber tree. Sobrang lawak nitong resort na to. So yung Pico del Oro pala, it's a 40-hectare residential resort village. Dito na tayo sa swimming pool. And hindi lang resort ito, meron din siya mga residential condos. And the country club. Ito yung country club nila. Where the swimming pool is, dito tayo magsiswimming. And then just beside their country club is the Pico Sands Hotel. Shower na! So additional information lang about Pico del Oro. Pico del Oro Beach and Country Club, parts sila ng Pico del Oro Cove Development. Located siya exactly dito sa Hamilo Coast, Nasugbu, Batangas. So it's a private membership club offering a range of recreational and leisure facilities to its members and guests. Their club is also known for its relaxing beach environment and upscale amenities. making it a popular weekend destination. Kasi malapit lang talaga siya sa Manila. You can take about 2.5 hours to get here. Especially for families and friends seeking a beachside retreat na very close lang sa city. Ito, nagsiswimming ng mga bata. Okay, yun pala yung purpose ng lagoon. Parang magmukha siyang infinity pool. There you go. Malawak yung pool nila. Meron siyang iba-ibang layers dito. And then ito yung pinaka nasa gitna, facing the lagoon. Parang may infinity pool effect dyan. And nandito yung deck.
I love video. I love.
Hello.
I love. I love.
Billy Philippines.
I love.
I love what's up?
Sino may birthday?
Ako.
Sino ka?
Ako din.
Birthday nyo?
I love.
Dito sila nagsiselebrate sa Pico del Oro. Sama si Kuya Dan na rin.
Unang Mac 20.
So ang key features and amenities nitong country club, meron silang beach and water activities. So may private beach sila, which is explore din natin mamaya. And then pwede tayo maligo doon. They also do kayaking, snorkeling, and other water sports. And as you see, maganda yung infinity pool nila, overlooking the lagoon. Tapos further there, makikita natin yung beach. And their country club is huge. We will explore this tonight. Meron din silang sports facilities inside the country club. So mamaya tingnan natin yan. And yun nga, if you're not fond of bringing food to cook, or you're staying at Pico Sands Hotel, may mga dining options dito sa club, ranging from casual beachfront eateries to more formal restaurants. May mga Filipino food and international cuisine. May pa-heart sila dito, ayan. Dito sa may lagoon area. Babalik muna tayo dun sa room para magluto ng lunch. It's already 11 AM. Alright. Nakatuwa kasi may mga ducks dito. Yun sila. Ito sila nagstay just by the pond. Hello. Mga puno. So hapon na, ngayon naman pupunta tayo sa may beach area. Ito yung papunta sa beach area. Lakad lang tayo konti. Malapit lang siya dito sa building namin sa Miranda A. So kung tamad kayo maglakad, may dumadaan ditong shuttle. Paikot-ikot lang naman yung shuttle dito. Pwede kayong sumakay tapos ikot yan dito, papunta dun sa mga buildings, and then back to the swimming pool area, paikot dito. Yun. So pwede niya silang antayin. Pwede kayong sumakay, libre lang. Dito na tayo sa Pico Beach. So maganda dito, napaka-relaxing ng scenery. There's a lot of greens. May mga puno. So ito na yung beach area. May shower area bago mag-dip. Medyo mataas kung alon. Pero unlike yesterday, kahapon sarado yung beach kasi mataas yung alon. Pero ngayon mukhang okay na. And by the way, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video. Please also subscribe so you can follow along with my journey. So please also turn on that notification bell so you can get notified on my new videos. Thank you. Amoy dagat. And dun banda yung kanilang exclusive club members area. So I heard meron dyang swimming pool but it's only for members. And since the resort is surrounded by mountains, they also offer nature trails and eco adventures. The surrounding landscape of Pico del Oro is ideal for nature trails, so pwede mag-hiking, mountain biking. And then nearby trails give guests a chance to explore the local flora and fauna of the protected area around the club. Ito, dahil beach person tayo, hindi natin papalampasin ang experience dito sa Pico Beach. And since maalon, I will have fun and enjoy the waves for now. What's good today is that the sun is hiding behind the clouds, so masarap mag-swimming pag ganitong hindi ganun kainit yung sikat na araw. Dumi na ng paan natin. Ito yung dalawang kambal, inaantay yung swimsuit nila na iwanan dun sa unit. Ayan, nakapagpalit na yung kambal na pang swimming nila. So ito, enjoy na rin nila yung waves ng dagat. Tapos na kaming maligo dito sa Pico Beach. Babalik na kami doon sa kwarto namin. Ito yung landscaping nila na may mga pailaw na. It's a Saturday today. And kahit hindi ganun kaganda yung panahon, well, hindi naman malakas yung ulan, hindi naman mabagyo. Pero makulimlim. Pero marami pa rin tao. Considering it's September, it's considered off-peak season. Marami pa ring tourists pumupunta dito. This is their lagoon. For landscape lang siya, no swimming, no diving. Anong meron sa recreation? Sige, punta tayo mamaya. Ang karaoke. Para ma-vlog natin. We're back to our condo unit. Ito po si Jen, nagpe-prepare ng dinner natin. Ito po siya ng fried chicken. Pa nakaluto na si Sir John ng fried chicken. Mag-dinner na tayo. Fried chicken, tapos natirang ulam na pork adobo kanina.
Favorite spicy chicken.
Tayo na tayo.
Favorite Dylan, spicy chicken.
Since tapos na tayo mag-dinner, babalik tayo sa country club to check the other facilities. And eto, nakasakay tayo sa free shuttle nila papunta sa country club. Andito tayo sa country club kasi check natin yung mga other activities dito. I heard may bowling, may billiards, and ito yung mga shuttle nila na pwede nyo sakyan. Ikot lang yan dito and pwede kayong ihatid dito sa country club. Pasok na tayo. So, meron din silang spa dito sa resort. For those seeking relaxation, the country club offers a spa with massage and wellness services. Meron din sila ditong meditation and yoga spaces, providing a complete relaxation experience. So my music lounge, the function rooms, bowling and billiards, game lounge, Lana Ibo Bar, and yung hotel nila is dito din. This is open from 10 to 8 Monday to Thursday, and then 8 to 10 on Friday, Saturday. So ito yung billiards hall. Tapos may bar dito. Nandito yung bowling alley. Oh, nice. Daming tao. Ito yung game lounge nila. And katabi lang ng game lounge yung dedicated play area. This is an activity zone for kids and kids club that offers supervised activities for younger guests. The other side is where the fitness center is. Badminton court, basketball court, table tennis and game room. Tapos may mga function rooms din. The club also has a well-equipped sports complex that includes a gym, there is a basketball court, tennis court, bowling lanes, and billiards. They also have a squash court and an indoor badminton court, allowing members to enjoy various sports in a scenic environment, which is really, really nice. This is the video game room, pero close yata. This is the reception area. And this is their basketball court. Laki din ang court nila. Ganda ng facilities dito, fairness. There's even a balcony area there where people can watch if, you know, some of their friends are playing here. Sakay na tayo ulit sa shuttle. Pero dada muna tayo ng convenience store. Dada muna tayo dito sa Mahina, dun sa convenience store. So, nakakita kami ng sari-sari store in one of the units dito sa Maina. Tinurot to sa amin ni Kuyang Guard. So, nakabili kami ng snacks and some drinks before we call it a day. Nakabili kami ng gin doon sa may tindahan. With pineapple. So, nakakita kami ng pampatulog. Ito na. Some snacks as well. So, this is how we ended our day. We just enjoyed a picture of drinks and some snacks. Good night! Good morning! Matatapos lang natin mag-breakfast. So ngayon, it's our last day. Mag-check out na tayo in 3 hours. Pero punta muna tayo dito sa beach. Tara! Let's go to the beach! Mukhang maganda yung alon ngayon. Nice! Maganda rin yung panahon. It's Sunday morning here in Pico de Loro Beach, Nasugbu, Batangas. So sa tapat mismo ng beach ng Pico de Loro, meron ditong tinatawag na The Protector. It's a 120mm dual purpose gun. So ginamit siya during the World War II and was originally designed for ship use and was produced in large number during 1944. So yan, naka-display yan siya dito sa mismong Pico de Loro Beach. And this is the beach. Tara, mag-swimming na tayo. So after nating mag-beach, dito naman tayo ngayon sa country club. Swimming na tayo sa swimming pool nila bago tayo mag-check out. Ito na yung mga bata. Yung dalawa. Sunday ngayon, so medyo tumami yung tao. Ito na po ang mga bata, si Kuya Danreb, ang Kambal, at si John nagsiswimming sa Pico de Loro Country Club. Kumusta ang experience natin sa Pico de Loro?
Okay.
Okay? Kayo? Masarap pa dito mag-swimming? Masarap daw. Dito yung Pico Sands Hotel, pinaka-hotel nila. We are finally checking out. Pabalik na tayo ng Cavite. We are going home. Doon yung unit namin somewhere. 4th floor. Sa corner na unit. So there you go. Pico de Loro Beach and Country Club offers both day access for visitors and exclusive benefits for members. Members enjoy additional perks like special event access, discounts, and privileges at Jamilo Coast's affiliated properties. The entire setting emphasizes a relaxed, eco-conscious environment as the Jamilo Coast development actively promotes sustainability efforts such as marine conservation and environmental preservation initiatives. Picture muna kami dito bago dumiretso. That's it for today's vlog. See you next time. Thank you for watching and stay safe always.